You're welcome to this channel. Now in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to add a group of data without taking much time. Okay, so basically you know that you can add data by just using the sum function as equal to sum. You open your bracket, you come and drag through this range, you hit on enter, you autofill to this section. I'm going to show you a simple and easier way to do this. You're going to select the whole area where the text the numbers are and where you want the total to be. You are going to select the other fields too. So you are going to click on the control and then you do the selection. You click and drag. That releasing your hands. You come and click on the other section too. You click and drag. Then you click on Alt plus equal sign. Alt, then the equal sign. So Alt and the equal sign together. So you click it together. Boom, you are going to get your calculation, your marks. So that's how this is done. So kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button to get updates or new videos of our Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.